guys, so here we are. I know, kind of a little weird picture today, but maybe it made you smile, or maybe, hopefully, you don't cry. So today we're going to be looking at page B as in butterfly, 36. So I told you we're going to be skipping around a little bit here. So B 36. Okay. All right. So we are going to be talking about some predator-prey relationships today. Okay. So here we go. All living things need energy to survive. Okay. And we know that part. They get energy from food. Okay. You know that some animals eat plants and some animals eat other animals that eat plants. Plants do not eat food, and we know that, right? Because they're going to make their own. Most plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis takes place in a plant's leaves. A material in the leaves traps energy from the sun, and during photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide gas from the air to make food in the form of sugar. The original source of energy for most living things is the sun. Okay, so now we're going to get to the predator and prey. An animal that hunts other animals for food is called a predator. A fox is one kind of predator. A rabbit is prey for a fox. A prey is an animal that is hunted for food by another animal. Okay, so we know in this picture that the mouse is the prey, right? It is being hunted by the cat. All right. An animal can be both predator and prey. For example, a fox may be the prey of a bobcat. Okay, so that means that the fox could be the predator for the rabbit. It could be the prey of the bobcat, which would mean that the bobcat would be the predator. Okay? The illustration shows how energy flows from the sun to plants. Recall that plants are the producers and animals are consumers. When a consumer, such as a rabbit, eats a plant, it receives some of the plant's energy. When the rabbit becomes the prey of the fox receives a smaller amount of the plant's energy, but it would receive energy from eating the rabbit. Okay? In a pond ecosystem, tiny plants are the producers. They use the sun's energy to make food. Tiny animals eat the plants. The tiny animals are prey to small fish. The small fish are eaten by larger fish. In each case, energy flows from the sun to a producer, which is a plant, and then to the consumers. Among the consumers, energy flows from prey to predator. When tiny animals in the pond eat the tiny plants, the energy flows to them. When predators eat the tiny animals, the energy transfers to them. Okay? So if you look at the picture at the bottom of page B36, you can see that we're going to start with the sun. The sun is going to help the plant to make food. The rabbit is going to eat the plant, right? So that energy from the sun is going to go to the rabbit, right? From the food in the plant. So the fox, who's the predator, is going to eat the rabbit that is the prey, and he's going to still get a little bit of that energy from that plant, right? When he eats that rabbit. Okay? All right, my little dearies. That is it for today. See you soon.